Great Day Live on WHAS 11 is sponsored by attorney Mike Schaefer, the lawyer that wrote the book.
The lawyer that wrote the book is here now, and Mel's holding the book. So there we go. The old adage, ask and you shall receive, encourages you to speak up to get what you want. But when going to the insurance company after an accident, will they really give you a reasonable offer if you call or write them a letter?
Mike Schaefer with Schaefer Law Office joins us now to, well, apparently debunk this myth.
Well, that's what a lot of people think. You just call the insurance company, they're on your side, you've paid for insurance, they're going to do the right thing. And that doesn't always happen. Insurance adjusters, their job is to settle a claim, but to settle it as quickly as possible and for as little money as possible. Insurance,
Not necessarily to my benefit, to their benefit.
Exactly. Their loyalty is toward their job and the insurance company. There's a reason when you go through any city, there's names on buildings. It's not my name, it's usually an insurance company or a bank name. So they have the money, and their job is to save as much money on this claim and pay it for as little as possible. They don't care whether you're going to be hurt for the rest of your life, whether you're going to have neck pain for the rest of your life. They just want to pay a few $1,000s and get out quickly.
All right, you can be in an accident, obviously, and sometimes people say, well, here's my number, and call me later, and we'll work this out. That's not a very good idea either.
Not at all, because you don't know. First off, you want to make sure you get their insurance company information. You want to get as much information on them as possible so that they can't take off on you, basically. Sometimes a person will give you incorrect information thinking that they can just skip out on making payment. It's always best to make the claim through the insurance company. That's what you have insurance for, is to transfer the risk to somebody else. That way, you know you're going to be getting payment and you're not going to have to chase it down.
Are you still supposed to take as many pictures as you can at the scene? I mean, even just have a license plate?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Everything. You should license plate, the car, the individual, location of the car, damage to the cars, anything you can take a picture of, as long as you're safe at the time. You know, obviously, if you're wrecked in the middle of the Watterson Expressway, you make sure that you're going to be safe.
Right. But my insurance agent's my best friend, Mike.
You're in good hands with them, right?
The insurance agent, can be your best friend, and the agents are usually looking out for your best interest. What I'm talking about is the insurance adjuster that's assigned to settle your claim.
He's going to be the one to make the call.
He's going to make the call. He's going to set up the claim. But after that, his job is finished. So at that point in time, the claim is transferred to the claims adjuster, who is going to handle either payment of your medical bills, or if it's the at-fault company, payment of your bodily injury claim, what people commonly think of as pain and suffering. And that's the person that is trying to get it for the least amount possible. And they have computer programs even that they enter information in. The whole purpose of the program is to make sure that the claim is settled as low as possible.
So the whole idea is talk to an attorney before you let an insurance company push you around.
Absolutely. Whether you need an attorney or not, you should call somebody that concentrates in personal injury, car wreck law, so you can find out what it is and to level the playing field, because you're in one wreck, and the insurance claims adjuster deals with hundreds of them a week.
Indeed, and they know the game, and you do whatever you do for a living, but the insurance company knows what they do, and they're not shy about pigeonholing you into the cheapest number they can. There you go. There's the book, Kentucky Accident Book. 7 potholes that can wreck your Kentucky accident case. That's good stuff there. Appreciate it. Thanks, Mike.
Thank you a lot, Terry. Appreciate it. Thank you, Mel. Nice seeing you.
You can get more information from Mike and his law firm, the Schaefer Law Office, by calling 584-9511.
That's where you find them online, too. MikeSchaeferLaw.com.